Hi guys, today we're working against the clock. We've got to read these words and find the right word for the picture. We've got 10 seconds. Let's start reading. W-e-t, wet, w-e-b, web. Fan, can, van, bat, bag. Cog, cot. Fog, fob, ox, fox. It, bit, bin. Well done, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.